Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. Guys, XRP is completely going wrong. XRP crash or starts. The people are feeling very sad about XRP Ripple coin. So what's the reason behind that, and when will there is a possibility that the price changes will again become positive? So guys, you can see here, if we talk about the latest price of the XRP in the market, so 1.23 USD dollar. That is the latest price update of the XRP Ripple coin other side. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes of the XRP, so now you can easily feel here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the XRP is completely negative. The whole changes, my friends, whole changes occur in the XRP is negative. So that's why the people are feeling sad about XRP Ripple coin. And now let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, you can see here now to the 17 August the price pump, but after 17 August the price drops very badly, the price decrease. So what should we do in this critical situation, guys? What should we do? Nobody can understand, but I recommend for you that please hold for a long time, because guys, if you decide to sell, so you're in the loss, everything is clear. But if you decide to hold, so possibilities, guys, that in the upcoming days the price will pump and you get profit. Positive 105% changes is positive, so this means that the previous time is a good time of the XRP Ripple coin. And you know what, guys, possibility that after 1 day, after 1 week fast, the price will again pump. So never lose hope, just hold for a long time. I hope the price will again pump. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.